Most of the students gives the wrong answer. If you have given a base like LDA and you have given two different temperatures, you makes a wrong product. Why this happens? Same base, two different products. That is a matter of the kinetic versus the thermodynamic control, and you don't know what is the kinetic control and what is the thermodynamic control and why it happens. So just see one video and you understand this concept. So hi students, in this lecture we will see the carbon ion and its relations to the LDA control. Just a little bit of the carbon ion, its structure and hybridization. You know that in carbon ion, the carbon atom, central carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, means around the carbon there is a pyramidal geometry, and this is the lone pair that is present, and these are the three groups that may be R, that may be hydrogen, anything. Means to say is that a lone pair is present in the sp3 hybridized orbital. Okay. Now there is a negative charge on it. Okay. And how this negative charge can be reduced, the overall stability depends upon this thing. So see here, you know, more the X character, more will be the electrons closer to the nucleus, means it cannot be easily removed, so more will be the stability. Okay, more will be the stability. So we can say in the case of the carbon ion, sp carbon will be more stable than sp2, and this will be more stable than sp3. Means to say is that the stability criteria in the case of carbon ion is just reverse of that in the case of carbocation. One more thing is the inductive and resonance effect. Inductive effect also works in the case of carbon ion, but just opposite. Here the electron withdrawing groups will stabilize the carbon ion. Why? Because they will pull the electrons density. Suppose here you are making NO2. Okay, this R is eliminated by NO2, and you know that NO2 nitro group is an electron withdrawing group. This will take the electron density toward itself, so it will reduce the negative charge, so it will stabilize the carbon ion. So more the electron withdrawing groups, more will be the stability of carbon ion. More the resonance effect, more will be the stability of carbon ion. One important thing, enolate resonance, from where our question starts. Enolate means a carbonyl group to which a carbon atom is attached at which there is a negative charge. This structure is actually less stable. Okay, and there is a resonance hybrid structure of this also. That is, we are making the negative charge on the oxygen, and now carbon is bonded by double bond. This structure is more stable. Can you tell me why this is more stable? Just a simple thing. Whenever the negative charge is on the more electronegative atom, this will stabilize the negative charge. And here this is on the oxygen, so it is more stable. Now, the enolate is a resonance stabilized species, and the negative charge is not stuck on the carbon. It moves back and through, delocalized over the oxygen also. So we say this is a resonance stabilized structure. Actually, enolate is an ambident nucleophile. Means it can react at two different sites. Means it can attack on this carbon atom or it can attack on this oxygen. The attack can be made on the two sides. So this is a ambident nucleophile. Let's see a little bit of the nature of LDA. LDA means lithium diisopropyl amide. It is a strong, bulky, non-nucleophilic base. Why? Because see here this structure I have made here. You are seeing to this nitrogen atom. Two bulky isopropyl groups are attached. This is one group and this is the secondary group. Okay, two groups are present here. So it is a heavy base, non-nucleophile, means it is not attacking on the electrophile. Okay, and second thing, it is bulky. Two heavy groups are present, so it will attack always at the less hindered side. And what is its property? It removes the alpha hydrogens rapidly. When LDA attack, what can happen? two things are possible. Less substituted enolate is possible or more substituted enolate is possible. That is a thing of the kinetic and the thermodynamic control, and that is the most important thing for the CSIR. Kinetic control means when you have given the low temperature. When the low temperature is present, you are getting the less substituted enolate, and when high temperature is present, you are getting more substituted enolate. Why this is happening? See here. Firstly, see the kinetic control. Suppose you have given minus 78 degrees centigrade temperature. A low temperature is given to you. Okay. Actually, when you use the strong bulky base like lithium diisopropylamide, you can program the reaction to choose which side of ketone it wants to attack. Okay. Means you can make the reaction on your style. Okay. So see, when you have given the kinetic control at minus 78 degrees centigrade at low temperature, when you run reaction at low temperature, the system does not have much energy, means lower activation energy pathway it will take. Okay, the reaction follows the path of the least resistance, where there is less resistivity, means which can happen firstly. So you know that LDA is a bulky group, a bulky base, and the attack happens, it struggles to reach more crowded site, means more substituted. Actually, you know that the more substituted site is more stable, so it wants to go to that site, but energy is low, so it will attack at the less hindered site because it is physically easier to reach. Suppose you have given CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3, CH3. What is this thing? This is the methyl isopropyl ketone. Two groups are present here. One is this methyl group and another one is this one isopropyl group. Okay, now you have given a bulky base. This is your bulky base with this nitrogen and this lithium. And where it wants to attack, it has having lower energy, it wants to go to the more substituted side, but it cannot go because it is having less energy, so it will attack obviously at the site where it can reach easily, so it will attack at this side. Okay, so you get a kinetic enolate. Okay, less substituted enolate terminates, that is called the kinetic enolate. You are getting this because it is having no time to do towards the more stability. Okay, it cannot move toward the more stability side. Let's see the second case, that is at the room temperature where there is the thermodynamic control. Why this happens? When we raise the temperature, suppose it is at 0 degrees centigrade or at room temperature, you have raised the temperature. Now the system has the enough energy to reach the equilibrium, means equilibrium condition is possible. You have given equilibrium, so the base can pull the proton from both the sides, and if it forms the wrong enolate, means your kinetic enolate, the reaction can actually reverse, means this is less stable enolate. There are two conditions, and this is more stable enolate, and there is an equilibrium between them because the temperature is high, energy is sufficient. Now the equilibrium has been set up, so now the LDA will pull toward the more stable side because it will provide the stability to the system. So the outcome is that now the system goes toward the more stable state, and more stable state is more substituted alkene because it is according to the ZSAB rule. So it goes toward the more substituted alkene. Means to say is that if you have given again the same ketone in this manner, then now the LDA will choose the proton from here. Okay, it will attack and it will take this proton and it will form the more substituted alkene, because this alkene, this is having lower energy. This is lower in energy, so it goes towards this side. So we can say that kinetic product is having lower barrier. So at lower temperature, it is formed. At lower temperature, this will be getting preference. But as you increase the temperature, the thermodynamic product that is having the lower energy, that is formed. Okay, so this is formed ultimately if you increase the energy. Okay, so the carbanion stability decides the outcome. Okay, so if you make a comparison summary, if you have given the kinetic control that happens at lower temperature like 78 degrees centigrade, and you get the less substituted product. Why you are getting this product? Because this time the reaction is fast and the base attack most accessible. But if you see the thermodynamic control, this always happens at the high temperature, means more than 0 degree centigrade, and now you are getting the more substituted product. And this happens because we want the stability, because now we have the more energy for the finding of stability. So more stable alkene with more alkyl groups. So we can say that the kinetic product is formed faster, it is less substituted, and it is formed at the lower temperature, and it is reversible. When the temperature is high, it will change to the more substituted product. More stable product means the thermodynamic enolate at the higher temperature. So the temperature controls the overall outcome. So I think now you know how to manage the kinetic product and the thermodynamic product. There will be no controversy about it. If you want more such types of videos, you can comment me. Full courses are available on our app. The links are given in the description box. And if you are liking my videos, please comment more and more, and please give me the likes. Thank you.